photogenic than you, Gary.
Roger, I have Carl Smith looking for you up here at the base.
General, what can you tell us about what you saw this morning and whether this operation is on schedule?
Well, I was very impressed with what I saw. We had the forces of 7 nations in there coming together with the final rehearsal and final talk through of the plan for the withdrawal.
You ready to pronounce it ready for the landing to take place?
Give me 24 hours and I'll tell you we're completely ready to go. That doesn't mean we're going to start then, but I'll tell you we finished up the last details.
Are you saying
Afghan politician, a former mayor of Mogadishu, came together with Mr.
Hello.